channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video, I am actually going to do a Amazon winter haul, a winter fashion haul. So the thing is, I got few pieces from Amazon and oh my god, some of these pieces are extremely good and such good quality. So I just thought, you know what, I'm going to do a haul video. And I showed on my Instagram as well that I got few sweaters and winter isn't coming anytime soon. So a lot of you guys were like, please give link of the haul and please tell me where to get that sweater because it's so cute. So I just decided to do a video. So let's get on with the video now. If you are someone who's new to this channel, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it here. I hope you like the vibe. I hope you like the content that I post. And if you end up liking it, you can hit the subscribe button, along with that the notification bell as well, because then only you are going to get updated every time I post a new video. So let's get on with the video now. So the first thing that I got here is this t-shirt that you can see that I am actually wearing. This is a white ribbed kind of a material t-shirt, and this I got it in the size medium. So I got this from this clothing brand that is Sight Bomb. Let me just see it. Yeah, this is a clothing brand that has the name Sight Bomb in it, and they have all clothing in only one size, which is just medium. So the last time I got a blue polo t-shirt from them and it fits me so well, and it was medium as well. So I just thought, you know what, since that was medium and that fits me so well, so I think this medium is also going to fit me really nicely. So this, honestly, I do not like the fitting of it that much. I really don't. I wish it was like one size smaller, but if you fall under small and medium category, this is just going to fit you very, very nicely. Another thing I do want to talk about this piece is that I really, really love the material of this. It's amazing. It's a ribbed material. Generally, a lot of affordable rib materials, what happens is they'll give you a very transparent or a see-through kind of a material, but as you can see, this is a white top, but still it's not see-through. It has a very thick material right here, and it's so perfect to wear for, especially for this weather where it's not too hot but it's not cold yet. So that's why I got this, and I really love it. In the picture, actually, you can see that it's like a cropped material, but it's not a cropped material. It is a full length t-shirt. Actually, it's not cropped. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that it's not a cropped t-shirt. It comes in this full length material, but I really love it, especially for the price of $4.25. This is really, really good. The next t-shirt I got here is also a ribbed polo t-shirt. So this is exactly like the blue t-shirt I got in my previous haul. So yeah, so this is actually in the shade beige, and I really love this shade a lot. The material, again, it's very nice. It's thick material, it's ribbed. You can wear it with many different jackets as well, since winter is coming. I mean, I know this is a winter haul, but I still wanted to include this because I got this and it's very casual. You can just pair your jeans and t-shirt with this, just Converse, and you're just going to look extremely good. I really have been into polo tees lately. I think I have like 5 or 6 of polo t-shirts in my collection, and I am not stopping anytime soon. But yeah, it's beautiful. I love the color, and the quality of this is amazing as well. So this one, again, I got it in the size. I wanted to say shade. So this one, again, I got it in the size medium, and this again fits me really well. This medium, the fitting isn't great, but with this medium it was perfect. So yeah, I got it in the size medium, and it was $4.25 as well. So next thing I got here is a dress. This is a very, very winter appropriate dress. Now you can see the picture of the model wearing it on Amazon, but it's very different from the model that was wearing this dress. It's not exactly as similar to the model, the dress that it came. So the material, again, it's very nice. It's same as the ones that I have showed you already, the rib material. It's pretty good. It's high quality rib material. The only thing is I ordered it again in the size medium, and it's a little loose on me. But I can just alter it by going to the tailor, and that's not an issue. The issue that I have with this dress is that it's not long enough. I really was looking forward to this dress because in the site it was completely like a long dress, but when it came in, I just tried it on and it's not long enough for me. I really do like the dress. Obviously, you can pair it up with your overcoats and with your long sweaters if you have, or just wear it alone as well with some heels, and it's a very classy dress, I would say. And I got the shade black because I really don't have a black dress that's in this, you know, ribbed material quality. So that's why I got the shade black. But to me, honestly, I don't know, I like it, but I wish the length was really long like they showed in the website. Other than that, I really do like the quality of it. The fitting is just okay. I do have to alter it. I will have to alter it actually. And yeah, pretty much it's a good standard dress. And the price of this was $7.99. For $7.99, yes, I do think that it's quite a good dress. So for me, I do think the price is kind of reasonable. If you get this in stores, it's going to cost you around like 1,200, 1,000. And if you get this on Urbanic also, like I have seen these pieces on Urbanic, they charge like 1,500, 900, or somewhere around 1,000 to 1,500 for a dress like this. So that's why I would say that this one was pretty good. Now coming on to a two-piece that I got that I think I will be returning is this two-piece skirt, and I got a top here as well. Okay, let me just show you guys the top. So I got this in the size S, I think. So let me just go through my orders real quick. This actually doesn't have any size at all. I really don't know what size I ordered because there is like no size written. So I think I got this like in the size small or medium. The size is not an issue with this you know, two-piece. The thing is, I do not like the color of this at all. I mean, the skirt is pretty good, like it looks pretty good on me. The top is extremely loose on me, but the skirt was pretty okay. The only thing is that they showed here in the picture is a pastel pink two-piece, but in real you get this really almost like not even baby pink. This is like a true pink. You know, I do not like this pink with this black at all. I do not like the combination of it. I wish this was pastel pink as they showed in the picture. I would have kept it, but since it is this color, this shade, it doesn't really look good with my skin tone, I feel like, and I don't have a lot of clothing items to, you know, pair with this type of pink right here. So I just think so I will be returning this. I mean, I really do like the skirt. The skirt I can, you know, like work with the skirt, but with the top I feel like it's just too much in your face kind of a pink, and I'm not someone that I like to wear too much pink. I do not like to wear too much pink. If I am wearing a pink, I really want it to be very muted pink, like a pastel pink or baby pink, but this one is like in your face kind of a pink. So I think I will be returning this. But if you ask me about the quality and the feeling of this, it's extremely good. You know, this is like, I don't know the material of this, maybe it's like a polyester material, but it's a very good polyester material, and it has this stretch to it as well. The quality is 10 on 10, you guys, but for me, I do not like the color, so I will be definitely returning this. So now coming on to the sweaters that you guys may have been waiting for. I have 3 sweaters to show you guys. Now this is a very beautiful sweater that I got. Let me just check the price of it. Okay, so the price of this one, actually I didn't tell you guys. The price of this one was 1,000. For 1,000 it was quite good because I do really like the quality. And if you know, if you get this elsewhere like Urbanic or, you know, Forever 21 also has these kinds of pieces, they are going to charge you a lot more. But honestly, didn't like the shade of it, so I'm just going to return it. So the next sweater I have here is this. This is a very sage green, muted green type of a sweater. I really love this shade a lot. You guys know that pastels are my thing, and especially pastel clothing. So this sweater is extremely soft, extremely soft. It's very comfy, and I really love the style of this as well. It gives me a very retro vintage kind of a vibe, and this actually sweater would go with anything. If you wear this with your formal pants, you can wear this with your skirts, you can wear this with your jeans. These type of sweaters are very easy, you know, to pair up with anything and everything. So again, I would say that I got this in the size XS, extra small, and it was for 1,019 rupees. For 1,019, extremely good. The quality, I really love it a lot. This fits very nicely too. So if you're looking to get a sweater, a good sweater that is very affordable, because if you know, see the prices of sweater online, they are extremely high, but this one was perfect for me. I am really happy with this purchase. The next sweater is something a lot of you guys asked me on Instagram. So this is the sweater. This is so cute. This is the cutest sweater that I have. It's actually a cardigan. So yeah, this has 3 buttons in here. It's not like a full on sweater, like it's not full length. It comes in your mid waist section. So it has this amazing buttons here, as you can see, like diamond shaped buttons. Like the shape of it is hard, but yeah, it's like diamond type. And you get an extra button in here as well. I got this from Max, you know, the brand, clothing brand. I got it from there. Very soft. It's very soft. If you wear this in winter, I am sure you're not going to want to take this off. And again, this sweater is something that will look good with your skirts, your pants, your jeans, everything. This would look so cute. And again, this pastel blue and white is adorable, really good quality. I am extremely happy to get this, you know, from Amazon. And yeah, super happy with this purchase as well. It's actually the best thing in this whole entire haul. This is the best sweater. And when I showed this to you guys on my Instagram, I showed this to my sister. They were, you know, people were like, oh my god, this is so cute, from where did you get it? And it is actually the cutest sweater. Last thing that I got here is a sweater. It's very thin quality sweater. Like, it's not a really thick material. It's something that I can wear currently, like with the weather that we have going on in Guwahati. I can totally wear this. And this is a really nice, like, I really love the combination of the pastel pink that we have going on here with the blue and white. It's really good. It gives me really retro vibes, and it says cool influence, so yeah, that's really good. But the thing is that I got this from the kids section. So I am someone, since I am very tiny and I'm very small, I can actually shop from kids section as well. Like 13-14 years, I can wear the clothing from that age group. So yeah, I got this from Amazon, but it was from kids section, so you are not going to get any extra small, medium kind of category. You just have 13-14 years category and 11-12 years. Yeah, so I got this in the 13-14 years category. I honestly, me and my sister, we do that. We tend to go to the kids section sometimes and grab clothes from there as well, because they fit us so well. And yeah, this fits me perfectly, and I think it's a really casual sweater, especially when I don't want to wear something that's too warm. And for this season that we have going on, I think it's perfect. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I loved every piece that I got actually, but except these are the ones that I feel like I am definitely going to be returning because of the shade. Other than that, I love the quality of each and every item that I got here. And yeah, that was it for today's video. Let me know what is your favorite piece from the entire clothing haul that I showed you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. And also subscribe if you haven't, because that helps me out a lot, and you can watch more content from me every time I post videos. That is 4 days a week. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.